All right, everybody, this is BJ from the 478. I greatly appreciate you tuning into my videos. And today I want to tell you about something you need to know about your 2007 on up Lexus Ls 460. Reasoning being, if you have lost your audio, your volume button doesn't work, this is the first thing you need to do before you replace the amplifier. This 30 amp fuse right here, I'm going to show you exactly where it is. This is the amplifier. This is the amplifier the customer purchased. And what I'm going to do is, so you don't have to do this, first thing you need to check, if your volume knob does not work on your radio and you're not able to use your volume on your steering wheel control, check this fuse out right here first. And what is going to happen is you're going to lose power on these two wires right here. These two black wires are actually supposed to be constant 12 volt at all times. Now let me show you exactly where this fuse panel is on this vehicle. It's 4 of them in this car. It's one under the hood, one under the driver's side, one underneath this panel here, and one in the trunk. So what you need to do, get a little light right here for you. Four clips under here. You don't have to remove that, but this panel right here, let's go ahead and, it is this 30 amp fuse right here. It's blowed. Once you replace that, bam, you got your audio back. You're back in the game. $5.49 from your nearest O'Reilly's or Advanced Auto Part, or whatever auto parts store you have in your local area. You get one of those fuses, pop it in, that goes back on like so. I'm make sure I put this man's stuff back in. All right, that saves you thousands of dollars. So now, check continuity here. Should have 12 volts. Bam. Plug that up. So I swear this is probably about the nicest one I've seen. So what's gonna happen is when you lose that fuse, you don't get a volume. This doesn't work anymore, as well as any of your functions. It totally locks you out. It suspends your guidance and all that good stuff because it doesn't allow you to actually use any kind of functions from this bottom radio. So only thing this will actually do is turn the radio off and on. So if you get in your vehicle and you have no volume control, like this doesn't work, period, you don't see volume over here, and your steering wheel control doesn't work, it's that main fuse right underneath the passenger side that'll take you all of 2 minutes to change it out, and $5.49. Well, $6. I'm BJ from the 478. You like this video, give me a thumbs up. You got any questions about anything, we're at OCD Audio in Warner Robins, Georgia. I greatly appreciate you. Tune in, so like and subscribe. Thanks.